Imagine a machine so powerful it could push the boundary of artificial intelligence beyond anything we've seen before. Now, what if I told you Elon Musk is building exactly that? His latest project isn't just ambitious, it's a game changer. It could potentially shake up the entire AI industry. Let's break it down. Welcome back to WildPodX, Tony here. Today is the 1st of April 2025. Here on this channel, we break down everything related to money, investing, crypto, and psychology. If you want to stay ahead in finance, be sure to subscribe. Now, let's take a look at today's market updates. So Bitcoin is trading at $84,000 and Tesla stock is trading at $259. Yesterday marked the end of the first quarter. It was anything but smooth sailing on Wall Street. The S&P 500 managed a 0.6% uptick, closing at $5,611, despite recording its worst first quarter in 2.5 years with 4.6% drop. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 1%, ending in $42,000. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite dipped slightly by 0.1%, closing at $17,299, weighing down by tech stocks like Nvidia. The impending tariff has sparked fear of increased inflation and potential economic downturn, leading to a cautious market sentiment. Now let's take a look at today's deep dive. Elon Musk's latest venture, xAI, and its ambitious $400 million project to build the world's largest supercomputer in Memphis. We're talking about a 750,000 square foot facility in southwest Memphis. Once a vacant manufacturing plant, now transformed into technological marvel housing what's supposed to be the world's largest supercomputer. Elon Musk's xAI is spearheading the colossal project named Colossus, with an estimated total cost of $405 million. But why Memphis? Beyond the allure of blues and barbecue, Memphis offers strategic advantages like affordable real estate and proximity to major tech hubs. However, the project isn't without its challenges. Securing sufficient electricity has been a hurdle, with xAI planning to build its on-site power generation facilities to meet its 300 megawatt power requirement. The supercomputer isn't just a vanity project, it's a backbone of xAI's Grok chatbot, which already integrated into X. Grok aims to revolutionize how we interact with AI, offering more nuanced and context-aware responses. The integration of Grok into X signifies a leap forward in the AI application, potentially disrupting industry from customer service to content creation. And for investors, this venture presents intriguing opportunities. The AI industry is experiencing exponential growth. With xAI's advancement could position it as a formidable player. However, it's essential to consider the risk, including regulatory challenges and substantial capital investment required. Investing in groundbreaking technology like AI often triggers a cognitive bias known as the bandwagon effect. But what is it exactly? The bandwagon effect is a psychological phenomenon where people adopt a trend, behavior, or beliefs simply because others are doing the same. And that's urge to jump on board without fully understanding why, like buying a stock just because it's skyrocketing, or suddenly get into new tech trend because social media is buzzing about it. In short, it's FOMO, fear of missing out, in action. The dot-com bubbles of the late 90s, the NFT craze of 2021, or even the recent AI stock surge. Investors see a rapidly growing market, and instead of conducting their own research, they follow the crowd, believing that if everybody else is making money, they will do the same too. And the problem is, when too many people are buying into hype without understanding the fundamental, that's how bubbles are formed, and we all know how bubbles end. In the case of xAI and its Colossus project, the potential is undeniable. Musk has a track record of turning ambitious ideas into reality. Just look at Tesla and SpaceX. But that doesn't mean every AI venture will be a golden ticket. Every smart investor knows the importance of long-term viability, financial sustainability, and the market impact of AI technology. So to put the bandwagon effect in simple terms, try to imagine you're at a food truck festival and there's one stall with massive queues. Instantly, you assume it must be the best one, so you line up too, only to find out an hour later that it's just overhyped and the tacos are just mediocre at best. That's the bandwagon effect in action. The takeaway here is simple. Don't invest just because of a famous figure like Elon Musk or anybody else is involved in a project. Do your own homework. AI is undoubtedly one of the most exciting frontiers of technology. But distinguishing between true innovation and overinflated hype is what separates smart investor from who ends up holding the bags. So remember, if you want to navigate the AI boom wisely, be sure you're investing in substance, not just a spectacle. Now let's take a look at today's top news. The first news. Bitcoin holders seems to be tightening their grip as exchange inflow hit their lowest level in nearly 2 years. Fewer people are moving BTC to exchanges, which usually mean less selling pressure. And when supplies shrink, prices tend to rise. If the trend continues, we might just be looking at the early sign of the next big Bitcoin rally. The second news. March has been anything but quiet. President Trump's latest policy move sent ripple through the financial world. Bitcoin's price has been on a roller coaster, and DeFi platform has been battling a string of high-profile hacks. With politics, crypto markets, and cybersecurity colliding, this month has been a reminder that volatility isn't really going anywhere just yet. The third news. When you have billions in crypto, what do? Apparently, you fund a historic space mission. A major crypto entrepreneur is backing a SpaceX flight that aims to put humans on polar orbit for the first time. It's yet another sign that the world of digital asset and space exploration are merging in a way we never expected. That's a wrap for today's episode. Please subscribe for daily updates in weekdays. Stay invested, and I'll see you tomorrow.